I was always short for time in this examination, and in hindsight, I think that was the best thing that happened to me, because I was short for time. I just studied what was required for the exam, right? I did not have the time and the license to go around a lot of material, lot of videos, lot of coachings, right? So whatever was provided, like there were times when whatever Rouse IAS was giving me was very, it was very burdening for me, because you had tests after classes, right? You had to publish your answer keys, all of those things. So because I had very little time, I just did what was given to me here. If you want to gain a lot of knowledge, then you can do anything you want. But if you want to clear the exam, whatever is being taught to you here, whatever material is being provided to you here, that is much more than enough than what is required for the exam, to be very honest, because there is a limitation to everything that you can do. And it is more important to just do what is more important a more number of times.